You open Yahoo Finance, then Reddit, then YouTube. 20 minutes later, you've got nothing. There's a faster way. This is Rallies, an AI research tool that helps you go deep on any stock fast. I'm using NVIDIA today. 4 steps, 1 session. First, just ask in plain English. I want to know if NVIDIA is expensive compared to its peers. It pulls the comparison and shows where the numbers actually came from. Now, flip to the chart. Instead of Googling what moving averages mean, just ask it directly. It tells me support sitting around 203 to 205, resistance up near 219 in plain English. Next, ask for the bull case and the bear case side by side, both arguments, before you decide anything. That's how you research like someone who actually knows what they're doing. Last step, the screener. Type what you're looking for in plain English and it filters real results. Now, you're not just researching one stock, you're building a watch list. 4 steps. Ask Chart Fundamentals Screener. 1 tool under 5 minutes. Subscribe if you want more of these. And, as always, not financial advice.